Okay guys, welcome to another episode on Network Mind channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys on how to create RDP, which is a remote desktop protocol. So many people have spent a lot of money on buying RDP from several vendors. Some are good, some have been used, some have been blacklisted, and so on and so forth. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create the RDP by yourself using AWS, which is your Amazon Web Service. But before we start, before we dive into this, please, I'm begging you, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Please subscribe, please subscribe. It will help me a lot, okay? It will help me a lot. That is the only way you can pay me back for this class. Please, I'm begging you, just subscribe. Please, please, and please. You can see my subscriber is not much. Please, I'm begging you. You can get me to 100k. Please, please, and please. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into this class. Okay, as you can see, this is the AWS, and first I have to log in. I have to log into my accounts. Okay, I'm going here, log back in. If you don't have an Amazon account, okay, I will do another video on how to create an Amazon account. But it's very easy. You go to your AWS, go to your aws.amazon.com and you create an account. Okay, it's very easy. Just create an account. Okay, so now I have to log in. Okay, I'm in. So I'm going to my instance 2, which is your EC2. Okay, click on it. Okay, scroll down a little bit and you need to launch your instance. Launch my instance. Okay, now we are going to give a name to our RDP. Okay, before we do that, before we go further, let's choose our location, where our IP is going to come from. Okay, and as you can see, I'm using North Virginia, but I would love to change it to something else. Maybe Oyo. Oyo would be great. I think so. Okay, let's check further. You can see we have Africa, South Africa, Cape Town. We have some Asia countries here. We have Canada, European countries. We have the Middle East, okay. And we have South America. Okay, there are still some more that have not been unlocked. Okay, now let's use let's use Oyo. Okay. Okay, now we have to give our instance. We have to give a name to our instance. Okay, what are we going to name this? Let's say RDP underscore Oyo. Okay, and the next is you select operating system. We have the Amazon, Mac, Ubuntu, Windows, and so on and so forth. Okay, you can see. Okay, have the Debian, but I'm going to use Windows. Okay, today we are going to use Windows for this lecture. Okay, so we select what? Windows. Please make sure you pick this free tier. Okay, this is totally free for the first month. Okay, we are going to use the free tier, and maybe later on, if you like, you can you can choose some higher operating system. Okay, some higher operating system. Okay, if you look at the price for this per hour, which is 0.192 USD per hour. Okay, so okay, let's look the confirm registration type again. Fit here. Okay, so next we need to create a key. We need to create a pair key. Okay, now click on create new key. Okay, you give your key name. We can still call this let's just say P11 Oyo. Okay, that's the name of our key. And coming here, we say create. Okay, it has been created and download. Okay, should mark this P11 Oyo. Okay, and then we scroll down, and check your HTTPS. Check your HTTP. Leave every other settings as default. Okay, leave all settings as default. Okay, you can see. Leave other settings as default. Then launch your instance. You wait for like less than a minute. Okay, successfully. Okay, next we come to connect instance. Okay, click on connect instance. Then come to RDP clients. This is our instance ID, RDP Oyo. Scroll down. Okay, we can download our remote desktop, or you can also go to your search bar and search for your remote desktop to connect. But let's just download this. You can see downloaded successful. And this is your public DNS, and this is your username. Now we need a password for our RDP. To get a password for RDP, at least we have to wait 4 minutes after you create your instance. Okay, sometimes it's not up to 4 minutes, but please again, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. It will help me so much. It will help me a lot. Thank you very much. May God bless you as you watch this video, as you watch this lecture, and as you subscribe. May God bless you. Okay, it helps me a lot. That is the only thanks you can tell me. Okay, just to subscribe. And if you want more updates, if you need videos like this, if you like to watch more videos like this, click the notification button so that as soon as new update is coming, you will be the first to get it. Please don't be left behind. Okay, you need updates as soon as regular. Okay, next let's click on get password. Okay, for us to get password, we need to upload our key. Okay, this is the new key. Here we have to upload it. Then encrypt password. Okay, as you can see, this is our password. Copy the password. Now we go to our download and click on the RDP. Connect the password, paste your password, and go. Yes, Okay guys, as you can see, this is our remote desktop RDP and your administrator. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you want to get to me, you get to me on my Telegram account, Network Mike. Okay, as you can see, this is our RDP. There's something that we advise everyone when you get RDP like this, or when you create RDP for yourself. The first thing you will want to do, go and change your password. Okay, click on your search button, you go and change your password. Very, very important. Okay, click on your search button and either you type computer management. If you can't find it here, as you can see, it's here, computer management. Click on your computer management and load up. Okay, now we'll go to local user and group. Click on local user and group. Click on users, and now you have to right click on administrator and set your password. Proceed. Okay, coming here, you have to put your password, whatever you want to put. Just use a strong password. Okay, okay, click on OK. As you can see, the password has been set. You are good to go. Now, another thing, I like checking my disks. Okay, 30 GB, good, and close. So here is your RDP. Let's check our location. You can see United States, you can see the region, Oyo, city, Columbus, here's your zip, and that is just the RDP. You see, it's very, very simple to create. You know, a lot of people charge, some charge $50 to $30 for a month, and you know what that means. Okay guys, this is how to create your RDP. I am sure if you are following up, and just follow this step and you will see we get exactly my results. Okay, it's not hard, it's very easy. Follow the exact step and you get exact results. Okay, please, we've come to the end of the lecture. Let's one more thing, please subscribe to my channel before leaving. Please subscribe to my channel before leaving. Okay, and if you want to reach out to me, go to my Telegram page and Network Mind, and you are in touch with me. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for everything. God bless you.